In this lesson, you're going to learn how to break apart a 10 and show it on a number bond. So I have my snap cubes, and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10, and I'm going to show the different ways to make a 10 by breaking it apart. So I'm going to break it anywhere. And so now I have it in my two parts. So on my number bonds paper, I'm going to put it in my two parts. I know that this is the whole because it has two lines coming out of it. And my whole had 10. Now let me see what my parts are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one has 5. So I took my snap cubes. I started with 10. I broke them apart into its parts of 5 and 5, and I put that on my number bonds. Let's try another one. So let's see how much my whole is, or how much I'm starting with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I know that's going to go here. And I see it's being broken into two parts. So I'm going to break this into two parts. And I'm going to put them there. So one part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to write a 7 here. And the other part is 1, 2, 3. So a 3 goes in this part of the number bonds. So I can make 10 using 7 and 3. All right. Let's try one together. So here's my number bonds, or here's my whole. I want you to count this and think how much goes here. So go ahead and count that and put that on your paper. All right, now I'm going to break it apart. And I want you to think what goes in the parts. So go ahead and pause the video, count that, and put it on your number bonds. Alright, so if your video is playing, that means you have numbers written on your number bond and you're ready to check your answer. So I had started with 10, and I broke it into its parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Kimberly, it's Elisa. Kimberly.
Okay. All right, this one you're going to do all by yourself, and we'll come around to check it. Okay, so what would go in the whole, and what goes in the parts? So go ahead and pause the video and solve that problem, and we'll be around to check.